Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking about how you can avoid tolls and highways when you're using the Apple Maps program on your MacBook or iMac or any whatever Mac product that you're using that's not the iPhone or the tablet one, iPad. So on the iPhone, it's very simple. You just go to settings and then you can click on avoid tolls and avoid highways and then boom, you got it done. On the Apple products, on the actual desktop, laptop products that they have, it's not as simple. So, what we're going to do is we're going to click on View, go to Directions, and then from Directions, you'll see Driving Options. And here you'll see both of the options. You can click on Avoid Tolls or Avoid Highways. So, right now, it will take an hour and 4 minutes for me to go from here to a client's house. And this is not their exact address for anonymity purposes. But once I click on Avoid Highways, it now goes to an hour and 16 minutes. And of course, it also avoided tolls in the meantime. So it's not going to change the time much. But yeah, this is exactly how you can go and avoid tolls, avoid highways, if you want to have that same feature that you have on your iPhone. So I'm going to put the highways back on because I'm not afraid of that. I am afraid of paying that extra dollar though on my way to go to a client's house today. So hey, if you have any questions or anything, feel free to comment below. And if this was helpful at all, hit the like or subscribe button. All right, y'all have a great one. My name's Anthony, and remember, you're not just anybody.